Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Sundowns 2, MC Alger 0. A very tactical game. A Champions League game. Right? What I'm going to show you today is how Sundowns set up in the first half. They made a tactical change. I don't know if you saw it, but if you didn't, Nzogbonis. Now, second half, I'm going to show you why Matthews was substituted, and then Sundowns got control of the game. That's what I'm going to show you. Also, the new striker Sundowns, I'm going to show you the good things that he does. That I always say with it, a striker must do that. Asien, the first minute of the game, right? I don't know Guti, what formation Sundowns was playing, right? It was not their normal formation, but how they played in the first half or in this game, it's how they finished against in Ilipopo, right? So these two, Adams, no Mukwena, so they were interchanging. So most of the time they were playing like this, not a double pivot. That's why they confused me, right? Information now, because if this is who is this? This is Umuren, right? This is their right back. The left back is here. The left back is here. And then you have Matthews here playing as a half 10. These two were playing as half 10s. So if you know what formation they were playing, please let me know. This is how Sundowns started, with having Matthews here. But I'll show you what happened during the first half. They changed their formation, but their structure. Ball behind defenders. You see where Mutiba is, right? So they don't play on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, most of the time, they don't play with a natural, I won't say natural winger, because who is this? Matthews is a natural winger. But what they do is he tucks in most of the time. He tucks in, but on the right-hand side, if you listen to Coach Rulani, what he spoke about after the game, right? On the right-hand side, they had a lot of numbers. So it was lopsided. Yeah, lopsided. Another example, right? The right back is here, the right winger is here. Matthews is what? Playing as a half 10. But Umutiba is not playing, he's not in a normal left back position. So how they attack on the right hand side, it is totally different how they attack on the left hand side. If you are a Pirates fan, you must just hope Uguti Pirates plays Usibelebele as a right back, because they can utilize the space that Matthews as shared. We're gonna have a look at the goalless Sundowns. The problem with MC Alger, right? They were playing a 4-4-2. Very good structured team. But the problem with the 4-2-2 is, I'll show you. So they play zonal, right? So when you play against a team that wants to have a lot of numbers in the middle field, right? You have to do zonal marking. There's no man marking here. Watch this guy. He presses. The ball goes there. He comes back into the position. He needs to rush. The problem with the Sundowns is when the ball was on the left-hand side, they could easily switch it to Umurena because he was all alone on the right-hand side. But when the ball is this side, they don't switch it quickly to Umutiba, this side. You look at Umutiba, useklasini uphakamisa izandla, ufuna umistress ambizi, but there is no one to switch the ball from here to here. Gcina kwenzakalani? Yeah, ibola goes back to the right. The mistake la was this guy.
That's a very good serve and a flop. It's a goal.
Pressure. But the pressure best pipes. If it wasn't for Usales, I want you to look at Usales, right? Speaking Jericho Sundowns, there was no creativity from. I think it was brilliant creativity or not, but it was just watch Usales movement.
It's a very good serve.
Good finish. Another striker because of Fulugul trap. But it was a good start from Sundowns. A tactical switch, Yaga Cardoso in the first half. Remember where Matthews was playing here most of the time, ne? But now he moved to the left wing position. Matthews is not a bad player, right? He's got, you can see what he alright, he's there. It's just his final decision, his final pass, it lets him down. Or in finishing yak, it lets him down. Nakia, another example. Look at Umutiba. This is Matthews. Just focus on the two. Umutiba moved into the middle. When Matthews moves out wide here, Umutiba stays here. In the first 20 minutes or 25 minutes, that didn't happen. Now, this is a perfect example of what I'm trying to show you. Watch Umutiba. Look at these two. He'll come inside, he's gonna go wide. Tactical switch. Remember, Matthews was busy playing as a half 10. Now, but Umutiba is the one joining in the middle. Matthews Ugupi Ula, all alone. There's no one to cross the ball or switch the ball. Listen up. Play still continues. Umutiba is still here. That was the tactical switch that Sundowns did in the first half. Sundowns had a corner kick and they nearly scored. I'm just going to show you when we defend a corner, right? You need players that are alert. You need to be alert when we defend a corner kick. Last week Sundowns scored via a corner kick, right? This guy was standing here, Amake Umukwele. But because there is 3, then there is 2, and the Sundowns played a short corner, he goes there. But what happens is Urevri Utino retake because La Bayard. Now Sundowns decides to send Usales La. Now keep watching. I always say if they send 2 to take a corner kick, you guys must send 2. Sundowns should have played a short corner kick here. Now look at this guy. Remember what I said? Umukwena was out of the picture, so he was focused on Umukwena. Now watch him. Umukwena is all alone here. Sundowns takes long corner. Almost scored. Anibonanga, yes, let me take it back. Focus on This guy. Focus on this guy. He knows ukuthi akamakanga muntu and he is looking. He can smell the danger. He can see the danger. Focus on this guy. Everyone is going there. Yena uya kuphi? He knows ukuthi uMokoena is unmarked. That's how you defend a corner kick, Bafethu. You need players that are alert. But uMokoena la bekumele aye ngekhanda la. He should have used his head la. Iyebholweni mfana kithi. Second half, Sundowns made changes, tactical changes that led up to the goal. I'm going to show you why they changed Matthews. Bafaka Allende and then moved Usales to position Yaga Matthews. Okay, but now what I'm going to show you, how to defend. I'm sure you've heard about Kulmange three-man press, right? I'm going to show you how it's done and how not to do it. This is how you do it. Anitiba Idrila, they're a team that plays with their goalkeeper. You must know, Guti, when Williams is playing, teams have a different strategy than when he's not playing. They don't have the same strategy because he's a very good passer of the ball. So it's 1-2-3, 1-2-3, three-man press. This normally what teams do. This guy is going to be behind La. That's not how to do it. This is a perfect way of defending a goal kick. A restart from the goal kick. I showed you how to defend or how to press a goal kick, right? With your three-man press. This guy is not supposed to press the goalkeeper. No. If you remember the restart from the goal kick, this guy, the one from the right, will press the goalkeeper. Because if you press here, he becomes free. Right? You cut this guy, the player in the middle must not press the keeper. No. The pressing must come from the side. Because you are stopping them from playing the ball in the middle. But if you press, you are opening up space behind you. You must not press like that. The players from the sides, they are the ones who are supposed to do the pressing. Now I'm going to show you why Matthews was removed, right? Because it's not his fault. It's just that his strength is not coming to play or joining Amachita Mabadlali ball. His strength is to play behind defenders. Sundowns has the ball here. Look what he's doing. He wants to run. That's his strength. And Sundowns needed to have control of the ball, right? He wants to go. No, we don't go here. We don't go here. The moment the ball moves, he needs to come and join in. Yes, this was a bad pass. They should have rotated the ball or switch it up. But his strength is not to play. But that's why he was removed. Now, Matthews bamkhiphile, right? Then Sales my sales. Usales had to go to a position. Now, this is why Matthews bamkhiphile, because we must look at Usales. He doesn't stick to that position, right? He moves in here. They needed to control the game, and to control the game, you need players that are gonna come to the ball. This is how Sundowns controlled the game. After that, because Matthews would have eventually Sundowns yenzani isondela lapaya, and what happens? They are going to score. Sales my sales. Phakathi. You don't need a lot of players in the box to score a goal. No. You don't need a lot of players in the box to score a goal. When you have a lot of players in the box, normally you'll find people cross a ball or square. No. When you have one player, you must pass that player. This is what Umutiba did. He passed the ball. Akasqueranga la. Akasqueranga. He saw him making the run and then wayenzani wal passa la. I normally talk about most goals kusuke kune warning. Right? There was a warning before this goal. Let me show you that warning. Nakia, 2 minutes before the goal, this was the warning. Firstly here, Umurena, he could have crossed the ball, but he didn't. But now watch. Striker makes the run. Ulshayela phezulu. Let me take it back. Had you pass the player, don't cross, pass. Don't cross, pass the ball. For the last time. Don't cross, pass the ball. Pass the ball, but it doesn't. There was the warning. So remember earlier I spoke about the good things that the new striker does. That's one of the things I always talk about. As a striker, make the run to the first pole. That's what he did in the second goal, Delay scoring. But I think it was an own goal, but they gave it to him. Yeah, congratulations to his Sundowns. Wednesday, tough game, it's a league game. Guys, please like, please share. Don't forget, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for watching.